Hi campers, welcome to Camp Playtime. Today we're going on a deep sea adventure to meet our ocean friends. Let's see who we can catch first. Oh, it looks like we caught Carly the clownfish. Carly lives in a coral reef and she loves to wiggle around in sea anemones. They're like soft, squishy pillows. Did you know that clownfish never swim too far from home? And they're really good at sharing space with their sea anemone buddy. Whoa, here comes Sammy the Shark. Don't worry, he's friendly today. Sharks have super senses. They can smell a drop of blood from really far away. But not all sharks are scary. Some are shy and swim all by themselves. Say hello to Jessica the jellyfish. She floats like a ghost and loves to drift with the current. Jellyfish don't have bones or a brain. They just go with the flow, literally. Hey, we caught Tommy the turtle. He's slow on land, but super speedy in the sea. Tommy has big flippers that help him glide through the water. He has a hard shell that protects him like armor. Tommy can hold his breath underwater for hours. He thinks he's a superhero. Watch out, everyone! It's Penny the Pufferfish. When she's surprised, she puffs up like a beach ball. Penny can blow up really big to scare off predators. She has tiny little spikes that pop out when she puffs. But when she's calm, she's just a round, squishy swimmer. I think she's pretty cute. Say hi to Sally the Seahorse. She's small, gentle, and full of surprises. Sally swims standing up, not sideways like most fish. She uses her curly tail to grab onto sea plants so she won't float away. In Sally's family, the dads carry the babies in a pouch. Sally is definitely a sassy seahorse. Whoa! Make way for Wally the Whale. He's big, bold, and loves to sing. Wally is one of the biggest animals on Earth. He breathes through a blowhole and spouts water like a fountain. Wally sings deep, rumbly songs that can travel miles underwater. And we cannot forget Manny the Manatee. He's big, bouncy, and loves munching on plants. Manny is also called a sea cow because he eats plants all day long. I guess he's pretty healthy. He's super gentle and friendly and never in a hurry. Manatees float near the surface and sometimes nap underwater. Manny definitely looks like the type of sea creature who loves a good nap. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and follow for more adventures of Carly the clownfish, Wally the whale, Sally the seahorse, Tommy the turtle, Jessica the jellyfish, Penny the pufferfish, Sammy the shark, and hey, where's Manny the manatee? I can't find him. I can't believe it. There he is eating all the plants. Actually, I can believe it. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more adventures of these fun sea creatures.